So you can see in if condition we can write the, see if in condition we can write in logic, but in else there is no condition. Did we type any condition in else? No. So now we got one more option, elif. So if condition is true, then do this. Elif condition, then do this. Else. So as else doesn't allow to pass any condition, we have elif as an option. Like, see, if true, then do this. What does it mean? I told you if condition is true, then it enters into if. But true is again a boolean value. So if will be always true in this case. So definitely we will get this result. Now I said x is a variable and its value is false. So can you tell me it's string type value or boolean type value? Boolean. Because now if I pass it like this, it became a string. But now it's a boolean value. And I told you these values are also case sensitive. Say this is not boolean value. F must be in caps in false and T must be in caps in true. So if false means condition is false, it will go to else part. See else part executed. Correct? Now in this next one, this is my variable. So now I have to take some decision. Name of the variable is this and the value is this. I said if LOC is auto shop, then print this and print the second line as well. Elif. So what's the difference? Now inside one if we were passing next if. So if the first condition is true, then only it will enter into the inside if to check the next if. Now see the hierarchy. We have multiple if conditions. How? First if condition is whether LOC is equals to auto shop or not. If yes, then do this. Elif, this condition is true, then do this. Else do this. So now we can write multiple conditions. If this is true, then do this. If this is false, then go to elif and check the next condition. If this is also false, then by default do this. So now you know which condition is true. Out of these three, this condition is true. So we got these two lines instead output. And now if I change the value of my variable, how? Like this. So what happened? This condition is false, then it went to this. Check this condition is true, and then I got the result because I changed the variable value. Again I will change variable value this time. This condition is false and this condition is also false. So I will get this else pass. Correct? So we have a way to pass multi conditions also in the same hierarchy. If this is true, then do this. And if this is true, then do this. Means if this condition is true, it will do this. It will not even check the next condition. But if this condition is false, it will not exit or it will not directly go to else. It will check the next condition. But if both of the conditions are false, then only it will go to else part.